Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, the #1 YouTube channel for your online earning tricks and tutorials. As usual, today is a very informative video. It's about how to create cloud profile, step-by-step guide on how to create cloud profiles on BitBrowser. If you're a new viewer to my YouTube channel, go through my content and I'm sure you're going to find something helpful to you, either for making money online through doing paid online surveys, through crypto airdrops, and so many other setup tricks which I show here. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for viewing my content. Always comment, share, like, and so that my videos can be able to reach more people who might be needing such tricks and tutorials for the ones I provide here. So the video today is about BitBrowser here, specifically the cloud profiles for BitBrowser. So before even showing you how to set it up, I want us to launch one profile here. You see how it looks like. It's like a real device. So if you are having a problem creating multiple accounts on your mobile device and getting detected, come to BitBrowser, follow the steps which I'm going to show you later on how to set it up, step-by-step guide, and you can be able to create multiple profiles and create multiple survey sites on your different cloud profiles, phone profiles on BitBrowser. So let it load. This is how it opens up. Just go to fetching profile data 200% so that can be able to open up. So this is the cloud phone profile on BitBrowser. You can see it's like a real phone, and all the features included here. So now let me shut it down first. Now you might be asking yourself, how do you set it up? For example, now for you to operate cloud profiles on BitBrowser, you need two things. First of all, you need a profile which you create by clicking there. Here you need a profile, and that you click add, and all the settings will be enabled for you to create a profile. Then the next thing you need is computing power. So you can see already have a computing power here. So if in case you don't have, you are on your dashboard here will be blank. So just click purchase here, and you can see the various plans provided here. You can be able to buy the computing power depending on your capability. For example, here the computing power starts from 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. So for 1 month you require around 130 yuan. So you can check the value for 1 yuan is around how many? I calculated somewhere here. So 130 yuan. So for only $17 you can be able to purchase the 1 month plan, which is very, very cheap and affordable. So, and this computing power, you can be able to use it on multiple cloud phone profiles, you see, and the value increases as the number of months your subscription increases. So for 1 month you're supposed to renew every single month. 3 months you renew after 3 months, 6 months after 6 months, 12 months after 12 months, like that. So you can be able to buy, you can say you want to buy 2 computing power for a month. So just you select the quantity you need here. First of all, you select the computing power you need, then the quantity. You might be wanting to buy more computing power in a month, so you can say 2. So the more computing power, the smoother the operations on your cloud phone profile. And so they accept various payment options. They accept PayPal, Visa, ERC20, ETRC20, and so many other options. So just come here, choose the computing power you need, the quantity, and the method of payment that you want. Then click confirm, and you'll be prompted to pay using cryptocurrency or whichever form that you select. So once you get the computing power, once you get the computing power, it's going to appear here. You can see mine here. Mine is appearing here, and I have bought a 3 months computing power. So I'm going up to around May, the fifth month of the year. So and I've classified it as testing. So yeah, So if you buy yours for 1 month, it's going to appear here, and it's going to show you the time created and the expiration time. So I only review things which I've tested myself personally and I know they are working. So remember, for you to operate the BitBrowser cloud profile, you need to have a phone profile. I'm going to show you how to create one, and also you need some computing power, which I've showed you how to buy. So now, how do you set up a phone profile, a cloud phone profile? Just click here, setup. For example, here you can say Atapol. I like using Atapol because they are very high paying and they are only based on apps. So Atapol surveys, you can just write anything, remarks for your whatever. So another thing, you can be able to select the computing power you need. They have the monthly computing power. I have already bought 1 unit for the monthly computing power, but I also have a temporary computing power, the balance which I want to exhaust right now. Yeah, so you just select accordingly. If you have monthly computing power, select on it. I have 1 unit, I don't want to use it now, I want to use it for something else, but for tutorial purposes I want to use the temporary computing power that I have. You set the name of your profile. If you have many profiles, you can group them. You can, yeah, just the way we create the browser profiles. Proxy, we only use SOX 5 proxy. So here let me set up my proxy, this one. So this is my proxy here. I had copied it somewhere else. So I have host, I have port, I have username and password. All the other setup, leave them the way they are. The language, to take the language of your location, time zone of your location. Geolocation is going to generate corresponding geolocation based on IP. So now just click check as usual. Remember how you create browser profile, you have to check your whether the IP is online before you connect. Once you do that, click confirm. Once you click confirm, all your various phone profiles are going to appear here. You can see now I have 3 of them. Let's try to open all of them at once. Let me open this one, yeah, this one. Let me try to open all of them. So once you create a new device, it tells you to give it some time for your browser to be created, for your phone browser to create. Once it's created, it comes. So you can see there. Oh, you see, we have 3 phone profiles. You can see them here. Remember, you have 1. Hope you can see here 1, 2, 3, and all are open. You can see opened here. So I'm not faking anything. This is the real deal, man. For only $17 per month, you can have computing power for opening multiple profiles. But the more, yeah, which you have to only to renew monthly. So after 1 month, I'm supposed to renew again. So this one, my third profile is trying to load. You see here. Yeah, now this is my 3 phone profile. I have number 1, 2, and 3. So for example, you're doing surveys on 3 of them, and you also want to keep on using other features on your phone, on your computer. So you can actually pin the phone profiles permanently on your screen, such that even if you navigate to other areas on your screen, like the way I'm doing here, the cloud profiles permanently remains on your dashboard, on your screen like this, and you can be able to run whichever sites you're working on comfortably without any issues. So now I want us to close the 1 and 2. We remain with 3 so that I can show you the other features. Shut down. This is the most affordable and easiest cloud profile to operate, the BitBrowser cloud phone profile. So now I have shown you the feature for pinning. Then they have another feature for switching to landscape from portrait mode. There are some people who like using the devices under landscape mode for gamers, so there's a good way. For example, for those people doing free cash paid games, sometimes there is an issue you're using a PC and you want to run a game on your mobile device using the same IP, this is a very good place for you. So when the device is on a landscape, you can be able to play games very well, or whichever you prefer. So let's switch back to portrait mode, and it's loading very fast. And the top right corner here, you can see the latency. This shows your connection strength or speed. So if it's red, you'll be having a sluggish profile. So always use an IP which is fast here. So now they also have volume up, volume down feature. They also have a resolution feature. You can be able to add your resolution depending with your liking. Then they have an option to add files or applications. Let's say you have an application which is not on Play Store and you want to add it on your device. So just come under upload files, click install. It will go to your desktop wherever you have placed your app, APK. Click on upload and it will be uploaded here. Then click install and it will be stored on your device. Also, if you want to transfer a file from your desktop to your CloudPhone, the same way. Then you have which feature, transfer to mobile. This is another very cool feature whereby if you want to add files on your CloudPhone, you just have to scan this QR code. Once you scan, it's going to link your CloudPhone on your actual physical device, such that you'll be able to operate your CloudPhone on your physical phone. And you can be able to take photos from your physical phone and they're going to appear on your CloudPhone, or you can be able to upload files on your physical phone and they're going to appear on your CloudPhone. This is another very cool feature which other CloudPhone profile provider don't have. Then they have the root privilege here. You can actually root your CloudPhone such that you can be able to install the apps for changing device ID which require to be installed on which only works on rooted devices. So if you click confirm, you have authorized your device is now my device here now is rooted. I can be able to install rooted apps, the apps which require rooted devices for changing changing locations, for changing my Android ID, and so many things, so many other stuff. So that's such that if you get banned on a site, you can be able to change the Android ID. It becomes another new device and they won't be able to detect you. So as a normal mobile phone, or it has gallery, it has a Play Store, it has a Chrome browser, and all the other features you can find on a normal phone. So Play Store here, you can either add applications using the upload feature, or you can sign in on your Play Store here and you can be able to access the Play Store and be able to add your features there. Also they have the other thing I wanted to show you guys. Then they have the Chrome browser here, this one. You see, it's like a normal device, everything is normal, so no thanks. And it's very fast. You see the way it's opening, So here, let's see our connection status under Hua.net. The phone is very fast, so you can be able to run multiple survey apps on your BitBrowser CloudPhone profile. So you can even see my ISP is Singularity Telecom. SIA. The anonymity should be 100%. Yeah, you see, anonymity is 100%, and that's all you need. With this kind of a setup, you can be able to run any survey site without an issue, and yeah, you can be able to run any site without issue because it's taking the details of your IP, and there is no leakage of your location, of your actual location. Because remember, you're inside an architect browser, inside a cloud profile, so you are double safe. So guys, If you haven't tried BitBrowser Cloud Profiles, use the link under the video description. Register for an account on a BitBrowser. Download their software. Go to PhoneProfiles. Follow the setups I showed you under this tutorial video, and set it up and give me the feedback under the video description. So that's all the updates which I had for you guys about BitBrowser Cloud Phone Profile. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're a new viewer, share, comment, like, ask me anything under the comment section of this video, and I'll be happy to help where I can. So guys, thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my next video.